CarShield insurance features, strengths, weaknesses. CarShield isn't technically insurance, but a vehicle service contract provider, often mistaken for such. This distinction matters because it impacts regulation and claims processes. Key features include tiered coverage levels: diamond, platinum, gold, silver, and aluminum, each covering a different range of components from engine and transmission to electrical and air conditioning. CarShield also offers specialty coverage for motorcycles and ATVs. It's primarily aimed at owners of vehicles with expired factory warranties, particularly those with high mileage or older models susceptible to mechanical breakdowns. The strength of CarShield lies in its accessibility for these vehicles, offering protection that traditional insurance typically doesn't. They also allow you to choose your repair shop, a definite plus for maintaining trusted relationships with mechanics. CarShield also boasts 24/7 roadside assistance and rental car reimbursement depending on your chosen plan. However, there are significant weaknesses. Many customer complaints center around claim denials, often citing pre-existing conditions or components not specifically listed in the contract as being covered. The fine print is critical. Understanding exactly what is and isn't covered is paramount. Another weakness is the marketing tactics employed. CarShield has faced scrutiny for potentially misleading advertising. The Better Business Bureau ratings reflect mixed customer experiences, indicating inconsistency in service and claims handling. Furthermore, because it's not insurance, CarShield isn't subject to the same regulatory oversight, which can leave consumers with fewer avenues for recourse in disputes. Ultimately, CarShield can be a viable option for those with older or high-mileage vehicles that are ineligible for traditional warranties or insurance-backed mechanical breakdown coverage, but proceed with caution. Carefully review the contract, understand the exclusions, and compare quotes with other vehicle service contract providers. Don't solely rely on marketing materials. Instead, scrutinize customer reviews and consider alternatives